Hello, today we are going to discuss about the transpose of a matrix. Suppose we have a matrix of order m cross n. Then the transpose of A is denoted by A transpose or A prime is also an m cross n matrix, also an n cross m matrix, also also a n cross m matrix such that A transpose Ij is nothing but equals to Aj for all I 1 to m and for all j 1 to n. So basically what is happening is just uh, if we want to get the transpose of a matrix, then we have to interchange, or we have to change its rows into its columns and its columns into its rows. For example, suppose we have a matrix A, which is a 3 cross 3 matrix, 1 2 3, 3 2 1 and 0 0 1, and we need to find the transpose of this matrix. So how can we get this? We just interchange the first row of the matrix A by its first column, that is 1 3 0. Similarly, the second row is interchanged by its second column, that is 2 2 0, and the last row is exchanged by its last column, that is 3 1 1. Okay, if we see the matrix in this way, that is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Therefore, the transpose is going to be A11, A21, A31, A12, A22, A32, A13, A23, A33. Okay, so basically Aij is interchanged in Aji. Okay, now we need to know of some properties of transpose. Okay, let me take another color. Okay, so the first property, that is A transpose whole transpose, is going to be A. The next property is A plus B whole transpose is equals to A transpose plus B transpose, where A and B being of the same order, that is suppose m cross n and m cross n, it need to be same order. The third property is Ka whole transpose is going to be Ka transpose, that is there is no such thing for uh, there is no such transpose for any scalar, and here k is a scalar, so k should be intact. Real or complex. Fourth and the last property is AB whole transpose, which is going to be B transpose multiplied by A transpose, where A and B being conformable for the product AB. Okay, now let's see an example. Okay, Suppose we have a matrix A. Let me take another color. Suppose we have a matrix A cos theta minus sin theta and cos theta. And we have been told that A transpose plus A is equals to I2. Therefore, A transpose is cos theta sin theta minus sin theta and cos theta plus cos theta minus sin theta, and here we get cos theta. It is equals to 1001. Okay. Now after adding these two matrices, we get 2 cos theta 0 0 2 cos theta, and after comparing both sides we get 2 cos theta equals to 1, that is cos theta equals to half. Therefore the value of theta is going to be 2n pi plus pi by 3, where n is a integer. So that is the answer, and that's all for today.